What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're making a 3D printed Mini Cooper, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so I got everything done and printed out, so now we need to spray paint them with some primer. So you got the rims with the tires, and then these are the window pieces, these are the axles, the taillights, the grille, headlights, and the hood. And then of course the Mini Cooper itself. So this print, it's my first 3D print ever. It turned out pretty good, I must say so. So let's go throw some primer on these and get right to it. Alrighty, and just like that we have everything that needs to be painted black done. And then the car and the hood are primed, so I gotta figure out a color for those. And now we gotta glue these together. So pretty much the rim just sits inside of it like that. So I'm gonna get those glued in, and then we'll figure out a color for the Mini Cooper. Alright, and then for the car, we're going to go with John Deere Green. So, the original plan was to go with this orange, but this thing is more gummed up than a gummy bear. So, let's get right into the painting. Alright, so it turned out alright. The paint is a little sticky because it's the tractor paint, so now we're going to go ahead and glue in the grille and the headlights. So let's get right into that. Alrighty, so those are glued in, so we're going to go ahead and let this sit for a while and then glue on the next pieces. Alrighty, so now that we got the front all glued in, it is time to do the windows. So this will take a little bit to dry, and then we should just have to put the wheels and the hood on, and then this will be 100% done. Alright, so for the most part, I only had to use some super glue on this window right here, as you saw, because I think for the most part this kit is supposed to be a snap together, not a paint, or I meant not a glue, but I just don't want anything to fall off. So we're just going to let that one window dry for a little bit and then put the wheels on, and then I did forget to paint the taillights, so we got to do that, and then it will be 100% ready to go. There we go, the hood was just a snap in. Oh, there goes the window. Alright, well, I'm going to get that back in and then do the taillights, and then you guys can see this one is all wrapped up. Alright guys, got it 100% complete. So, if you watched the whole video, thank you very much, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more 3D printed builds like this. Thanks for watching.